Hey, what's up, guys? I am going to go over two trades, actually three, I guess, that I took over the past couple days. Firstly is Amazon. I'm already out of it. This was a day trade on Thursday, yesterday. Unintended, but it is what it is. I said I was trying to try a new strategy in order to take advantage of the time that I'm putting in to do this and have good entries while I'm at work because I can't watch the markets during the day. So I'm trying to make it work as a swing trader. So what I did with Amazon, basically, here's the look here. This is a breakout with a retest setup. Okay, so break of this 200 level. It pulled back. I liked this double look here. So this was what? Friday, today, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So Tuesday had a nice green candle pushing off of it, followed by Wednesday, another bottoming tail, and it was an inside day. And so I was looking at Wednesday night, and I was like, oh, it looks pretty good. It's a decent setup. It's an inside day. It looks like there's buyers here at the 200 level, at that breakout level. So I wanted to take advantage of this. If it was going to retest and push off, it was also at the 20 EMA. It was under the 10 EMA, and the 5 SMA is pointing downwards. That's probably where I should have been a little bit more mindful about price. But either way, I was trying to catch a move down to 201. So I was looking for some sort of gap up. And like morning selling to come down. It would pick me up. I put my order in at 201 Wednesday night, and Thursday obviously opened up. It pulled back. It tagged me in at 201, and then I put my stop loss at 198. And so the lows of these days were around 199. And so I gave it an extra $1 because I didn't want, or what I was looking for is this inside day. It held on whatever day I said this was, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday was held inside Thursday. So ideally, if supply was being absorbed and there was not enough supply to push price past, sorry about that, then it wouldn't have undercut these lows, right? So I was looking for a gap up, a little bit down, failure to undercut these guys, and then a move back up with a nice tight stop loss. And it obviously didn't work out. So my entry was at 201, and then it shortly tagged me out shortly after at 198. And so the retest did not hold, and this is why you have a stop loss, because with my size, it was a 1R loss. Standard sizing. It was a normal sizing in my account, not a smaller sizing like I've done over the past couple day trades. And this is why you have a stop loss, because it just continued to sell off today. This is looking a little shaky. If I were have gotten into it and did not get tagged out, I would have exited today because price closed under the 20 EMA. I would have exited yesterday anyways. It just did it automatically for me, because price closed under the 20 EMA. So I was trying to catch this tag and a push up, and it's done nothing but sell off. We do have the 50 SMA coming up underneath it, and as you can see in the past, Amazon likes to respect the 50 SMA, chops around here, here, tagged it here, coming back. There was another view, sorry, tags it right here, right? So it likes to spend some time around the 50 SMA. So it's coming up. So Amazon could be a potential 50 SMA buy. Not financial advice, just looking as a potential. However, I don't have any more cash. I'm fully invested at this moment, which goes into another strategy that I'm trying to do. Is I'm trying to take advantage of where the market is right now, because you can see the SPY has just been basically consolidated Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So Friday tagged it last week and then consolidated for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and pushed out on Thursday. So this is a breakout with a retest on the SPY in the general market. So I was thinking, if this was going to hold, it has this uptrend line here. It's down by the 20 EMA. If the market was going to hold, the rising tides, or whatever that freaking saying is, like a rising tide floats all boats or something like that. So I was trying to go heavy and be a little bit more aggressive that I don't typically do. I'm trying to push myself as a trader and really take advantage of market opportunities and trust myself and what I'm seeing. So I'm doing that. And so, you know, I wanted to make sure I'm capitalizing on this retest if the market wants to continue on upwards. So that's why I literally have no more cash for me to invest in my investment accounts and my shorter term trading account. All right, let me go over PLTR. I am in UPST. That's working out nicely. I did a review. You can go check out that video. PLTR. I also put in the order on Thursday morning, Wednesday evening. Here, PLTR 11:20. Yeah, today's the 22nd, right? Yeah, today's the 22nd. So Wednesday evening, I entered at 10:12 p.m. And what that looked like. So what happened is I see this time correction, right? Strong move off earnings. I see this, it had a strong move, and then it just starts chopping sideways and consolidating within this 58 to 64 level. Yeah, I'm going to treat this as like a look above and fail, right? So it's just consolidating in the zone. It is time correcting, not price correcting. So it's letting the 10 EMA catch up. So I like this look. And I was looking at the chart, like, oh, that looks pretty decent. Sorry, I had to step away real quick. It's time correcting to the 10 EMA, and I saw that, you know what would be a decent entry? If I wanted to enter at a decent entry point, better than what I would be able to enter during the day, because I cannot watch this. This is what I'm thinking. What would I be happy with? And so I said, well, it closed up here. I'd be happy with the price a little bit lower. And so I was eyeing 61. And then I log on to Interactive Brokers and I see that the after hours, the price was at 61. I was like, oh, heck. Well, then I might as well just enter now. That's my entry price that I'm looking for. Might as well enter now. And my stop loss, I was able to put it below this consolidation range. It's below the anchored VWAP from the earnings, post earnings. And it's also below the 10 EMA, right? And so if I am wrong in this trade, it's gotta cover a lot of ground to the downside. And so I entered at 61 and held through yesterday, and today we're starting to get a nice curling move on up. So if you look on the 30-minute, this is where I entered, somewhere around here. It was at like 11 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, something like that. I entered PM, that is, in the after hour. So you can just see it consolidating here, right? And today it broke out of that. So you want to look at that right there. All right, chopping around. You even do that. Chopping around, chop. And now it broke out. It even did a nice little flag on the 30-minute today. Broke out of that, and we shall see where price continues. This anchor VWAP is from, where is this? Blue. I think that was price is over the anchor VWAP from the highs of real trading hours here. I'm gonna delete that old one. These are after hours, early hours, whatever. So price is now over today, as of today. It's just been chopping up and down, up and above it. So price closed pretty heavily above. And so the average participants in the market since this day here on volume, the high of this day, they are now in the green. So pressure is on the short sellers. And, you know, if you're going to hold, if you're long, just hold it. Not financial advice. That's what I'm going to do until I have a reason to sell. But I'm going to swing this thing and let it ride. That's all I got for you. Thanks for your time. If these are helpful, like, share, comment. If you have feedback for me, I would appreciate that as well. I am in a trading room. We have futures, we have equities, we have crypto, we have sports betting. There's a ton of stuff that you guys can come check out at our team over there. It's absolutely great. It's micro E futures, equities, etc. And I wouldn't be trading without these people. And then you could also use the code DCOB15 at TradeIdeas to get 15% off of this tech. I'll be trying to make videos to show you guys what this has available as well. Just time can be a constraint sometimes. But hopefully you guys are at least getting an idea of what this tech has to offer just by looking at it. It's even good to look at. Either way, thanks for your time. I appreciate your time. Stay safe. Enjoy the weekend. Go touch some grass. Go exercise. Make sure you're taking care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you're not going to perform well. Prepare to do whatever you want, right? What is that saying? Not preparing is preparing to fail. And that is certainly true in my experience, especially in the markets. Thanks for your time. I'll stop ranting now. Later.